Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. I'm sure wherever you are, you must be doing really well. You must be healthy and you must be enjoying your lives. With that, you will also be making some nice and decent profits from these markets that we discuss regularly. If you are a beginner, I'm sure your practice with me that will be going on really nice. Today is Friday, and almost like right here the date has changed, so it's Saturday. Right here the market is still open, and in like about next 2 hours it will be closed. Nothing very special on these charts today for the intraday traders, because obviously I may not be able to trade at this time. This video is super beneficial for all of the forex traders who want to make consistent profits on a consistent basis. I will be since this is a weekend special episode of forex trading, I should say. So definitely I will be discussing some of the pairs, some of the levels that we traded, and I discussed in the forecast. So it will be kind of like a revision of the previous charts. Like whenever we read these charts, these are not just candles, but it is kind of a language which you read. And when you read it, obviously the things that you read sometimes you forget. So for that reason, along with the forecast and the little glimpse of the next week for these pairs, euro dollar, pound dollar, gold dollar, and dollar yen. So let's refresh our minds a little bit, and let's see, since when I'm following this whole story. It's okay, the weekend, the week is already closed. If you have time, watch this video till the end, and I'm sure you will get to know some new and some accurate concepts that I have experienced and practiced and learned with my own experience in this market. So yes, right here on the daily, if you see, I am following this market all the way from right here 12th April, but the impulsive wave we have is all the way from 3rd May 2023, and I have updated you in a daily forex forecast, or maybe in the weekly forex forecast video, that I'm going to now follow this wave. Let me also show you this wave, and here as you can see the price level was this 1.07353 was the level. So in those videos I mentioned I'm going short, and I have already given this impulsive wave of around 361 pips it was showing me, but overall it went down till 468 pips. So congratulations if you have made profits on this one. I was regularly updating all of you. So now since then I'm following this, and if we see on the lower time frames, I was following this as well, and even the trend was exactly confirmed right here. So you can say that this part of the video is like I will be discussing that how do the breakout occurs, and then how we confirm those levels. So somewhere like this was the trend. If you see, so many times in the previous videos I have discussed it, we got a break below, we got a retest, and the continuation. And even before that there was one Fibonacci trade setup. But usually keep that in mind, that usually when you are looking for a change in trend, we see this pullback and a correction towards the top like this, and the second the initial or the first ABCD completion like this. So this ABCD pattern was completed, and till this point no breakout was confirmed, just like I said in the videos back in May. See, this was completed, market went back up, took another 61 of this impulsive wave in order to complete a 3 drives pattern, and even it go beyond that, so we will be discussing that. So a Fibonacci right here, let me show you Fibonacci right here, 61.8, then 61.8, point A from where the trend started, point B, point C, D, C and the D, then again 1, 2, 3, a break below a retest, 4 and the 5. So the market moved in this sort of like a channel very nicely, you can see, and even it dropped further, but like on the daily I was clearly bearish right here on this pair, and my forecasts are available. So as I followed the story, the story, market was trying to create lower lows right here. If you see lower low, initial break, you can say initial break. I want to be a bit quick because I have to discuss those other pairs. So initial break, then we have got this zone 3 drives pattern got completed right here, and if we see from right here, it came a little bit back up, came down, go back up, came down, and so a nice trend was established, which was then broke right here. But this is not something new for me, and that I want to tell you is because, let me show you, that is not new for me, because I was already prepared that I will be looking for potential trade opportunities near 1.07353. All of you will remember I have discussed it. Result is right here in front of you. So this was the long term, okay, and obviously the long term, it is showing me something else that I will discuss tomorrow in the weekly forex forecast video. But for now I just want to have a look at the previous trades that we have got in the last 2 weeks. So then what happened right here, clearly in the live streams and everywhere, when the market was right here, we got a break of structure, a retest, market was right here. I gave you this setup, that if we get a bottom, go long, and since then I was following this story. So one trade it gave us, then obviously the breakout from the level, a retest, and a 61.8, the continuation, and slowly and gradually a drop, 61.8, a continuation, a breakout, and finally price has stopped near this zone, which is also one of my long-term zone. So let me show you that. Just have a look at this daily time frame, and at the moment it is clearly standing from where it is supposed to go. Again bearish, but I'm not saying anything because obviously if we get enough confirmation, we now again will be trying to catch another 222 pips from the market. So how simple it is, my friends. If you have made profits, again congratulations, and if you have not, I'm sure you need to put some more effort to learn these things. All of my videos are there. Go and start from May till today. You can catch where I am right now. Like very soon you can reach to me and the other audience who are following me regularly. So dollar yen, if we see this one, this is like I'm following it all the way from right here. Most of you may know if you are following me for a long time now, and I became bullish from right here, most of you will know. And let me see what was the date. From 24th March 2023, and since then, see, we have got a bottom right here, a nice confirmation to take a buy trade till here. Then we have a 61.8 correction. If I show you this on a 4-hour, you will understand better. See how nicely this overall trend started. Just have a look at it. Or let's delete this bigger Fibonacci first so that we get a very nice and clean chart. So see, a very nice trend was established right here. See, and an exact bounce from, let's say this is an A to B and this is B, C to D, and it was an opportunity of around 416 pips I gave you from 5th April 2023 till 19th April 2023. Then right here, if you remember, I gave you this particular trade setup and it also worked really nice. So in a bullish wave we have got like two waves, and if you see, this was again a handsome profit of 316 pips. Then again from right here the things have changed a little bit. Market has gained some more momentum, so I left this rally, and because there were so many levels, see here we have got a failure, of the Fibonacci, so it means that it was going back up. And then also I was focusing on these levels right here back then from on the dollar yen on the daily time frame. So very nice one. Now soon near 142.251, everyone was selling right here, selling right here, selling right here. I clearly have told you that 142.25 is the way to look for booking some of your profits. So more on this tomorrow in the weekly forex forecast video. At the moment this is it, and if you follow the Fibonacci, you will never leave any trade, you will never lose it, because you will be already prepared for that. Gold US dollar, I want to discuss it in a separate video, or let's discuss it today right here. So on the pound dollar, you know, we have traded this impulsive wave. I don't want to go into the detail of it. Then we have got a sort of fib failure right here, and then traded this on the H4 in the last 2 weeks, and like if you see, a very nice and perfect trade opportunity. Even if you see right here, this week we have got this nice 61.8% retracement trade, the last week I mean to say, and we have got several ABCD pattern completions. So now it shows me, and here if you see the 61.8, I intraday trade, I took bigger trades right here, even in the live streams. So all of them are there on my channel, make sure to check it out. And this was an overall 245 pips. Then we took some sell trades obviously right here, intraday ones, another back, and the continuation, which I clearly have told you then, that the market is following a very bigger level and all the investors should be focused on 1.30, somewhere this level, 1.29836. so it will be a very nice zone for potential targets to close your deals. Very nice impulsive wave. And since, like, if you see, the euro has got stuck near that fib level, it didn't break the structure. See, it stopped here, it didn't break the structure, but pound broke this structure, which means that maybe on Monday, Tuesday it will be going back up, and since then all of the pairs will jump back down. So let's see, I will discuss it in the weekly forex forecast video tomorrow. Now gold US dollar, if we see, I'm like following all the way from 2044, and then even this trade I discussed yesterday in the daily forex forecast 16th June 2020. Make sure to please watch that video because it is full of information. So I think if you watch that video, mostly I have covered in that video. Now Aussie dollar, US dollar, we just like from right here, I clearly have told you that it's clearly going back up till 0.68949, and there was one reason, and that reason was, maybe let's see, this 61.8% retracement right here, a little bit obviously false break below, but these are long terms, and since then I'm saying this is bullish for this much take profit. So let's see, 443 pips of profit. Again, I clearly have mentioned that it is going to drop from there. So let's see, it's not yet confirmed, but at least the day traders must have got almost like 46 pips. Still, I think on Monday, Tuesday, let's see in the weekly forecast, I will be discussing it. But this really, I have discussed it and it worked very, very nice. I want to give you some quick suggestions, because I know most of you are inconsistent profitable traders, not consistently making profits. So one request I will give you, and that will be to try to understand these things, my friends. Try to watch all of these videos. These are for your good sake, right? For the sake of like, I don't want you to take any bad trading decisions. I know how hard it is to generate money. So money is not like grown in the trees or something. I don't want to give those concepts to you, but make sure to learn these things. Otherwise, if you don't, the chances are you may end up, you may be financially broken, or I don't want to make you afraid or something, but market is obviously killer, and without the consultation of an experienced person, try to avoid it. Try to hire some mentor or someone for yourself, that he can or she can give you better ideas, or just try to follow some channel, just like you can follow my channel and work with me virtually on this channel, and it will be a very nice journey together. And also the trades that I'm giving you, initially started trading on the demo accounts. So let's see, it will be a very, very nice journey together. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Again, this week was a very fantastic week in terms of profits. I made very nice profits. One decent trade I took, and that was on gold, which gave me around $3,000, and after that maybe some smaller 300, 400, 200 dollars of profits. But this is it. Even last week was very nice, but this week I just focused mainly on the weekly trades. So thank you so much everyone for joining me and for being here with me in this session. I will see you tomorrow in the weekly forex forecast video. Don't miss that video, because some important concepts I'm going to discuss. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Good.